Today we'll be looking at an acid. Under the topic acid, we'll be looking at this objective for today: definition of an acid, classification of an acid based on source and based on strengths. Now, what is an acid? An acid is simply a substance which, when it dissolves in water, gives hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. Which, when it dissolves in water, gives hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. And this is to say, every substance which is an acid must have an hydrogen ion in it. And when that substance dissolves in water, the only positive ion that will come out or that will be seen in water must be an hydrogen ion. If there is an other ion apart from the hydrogen ion, then it is not an acid. An acid must always dissolve in water to give hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. It dissolves in water to give hydrogen ion as the only positive ion. Or we call it hydrozonium ion. Or you call it hydrozonium ion as the only positive ion. Now, example is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, when dissolved in water or dissociated in water, will give us hydrogen ion plus chlorine ion. The positive ion here is the hydrogen ion. Or you are seeing another reaction whereby hydrochloric is reacting with water, giving us H3O+. This is called hydrozonium, or you call it ozonium ion. This is called hydrozonium ion or ozonium what? Ion. It is gotten by the simple principle of hydrogen ion from an acid. The hydrogen ion from an acid reacting with the water molecules. When it bonds with the water molecule, it gives the hydrozonium ion. Now, bear in mind, in water, there is a lone pair of electrons that has not been used in bond formation. So water can decide to offer that lone pair electron, can decide to share with the hydrogen proton. So when the hydrogen proton now bonds with the water molecule, it gives us the hydrozonium ion. So that's why you can also see it according to, this is a definition according to Arrhenius definition of an acid. That is to say, the hydrogen proton from an acid bonding with water to give us hydrozonium ion, H3O+. Now, source of acid. Classification of acid based on source. Based on source, acid generally is classified into two. We have the organic acid and we have the inorganic acid. Based on source, acid is classified into organic acid and inorganic acid. The organic acid are acids that are majorly found in food materials. They are acids found in living food materials. Example is 1. Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid is found in vinegar. It's an acid of the vinegar. We have 2. The amino acid. Amino acid is found in protein as the end product of any protein food substance. We have the fatty acid, which is a product of fat and oil. The product of fat and oil. We have lactic acid, which is found in milk. Lactic acid is found in milk. We also have the ascorbic ascorbic acid. The ascorbic acid is found in orange. Ascorbic acid is found in orange. And lastly, we have also what is known as under the types of acid, we have under one which is called the citric acid. Citric acid is found in lime and lemon. One example of the inorganic acid include your hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is a constituent of hydrogen and chlorine. We have the tetraozo sulfate 6 acid found in which is a constituent of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. So generally, based on source, acid is classified into organic acid and inorganic acid. Don't forget, example of the organic acid is ethanoic acid, found in vinegar, amino acid in protein, the fatty acid in fat and oil, the lactic acid found in milk, the ascorbic acid found in orange, and we also have the Ss1, which is called the citric acid, which is found in lime or lemon. Based on strength, acid is classified into strong and weak acid. You have the strong acid, you have the weak acid. The strong acid are those acids which, when ionized in water, give a higher concentration of hydrogen ion. When they ionize in water, when they dissolve in water, when they dissociate in water, they give a higher concentration of hydrogen ion. High concentration in water produce high concentration of hydrogen ion. Why this? In water, produce low concentration of hydrogen ion. Don't forget, a strong acid dissociates in water to give high concentration of hydrogen ion, while a weak acid dissociates in water to give low concentration of hydrogen ion. So we are going to stop here for today, but when we meet in the next class, assignments. One.